All right, so without any further ado, let's go check out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go check out my room at Happytelle here at Dipolog. Okay, so not too far from the Boulevard, actually 2 blocks, is the Happytelle. Stay happy is the motto here. And I guess the guard's not going to open the door for me. We're not off to a good start. Good morning. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, this is an Econ Hotel, and the only reason I'm staying here was just to do a video on a different place at Dipolog. And here is my luxury suite. Behold all its glory. All right. So this is quite possibly the smallest hotel room I've ever been in. It is tiny. I mean, on the bright side, I guess everything is close at hand. You don't have to go far to get anywhere. It's got a nice queen size or double bed right here. It's got a Panasonic air conditioner, which I haven't turned on yet, but I'm going to turn that on soon. It's starting to warm up. And they got a nice TV here. And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna plug in. I brought my Amazon Fire Stick. I'm gonna see if that works with their internet. See if it works. And a phone and some glasses if you need something to drink. And you know, the usual stuff. What is this? Oh, a dental kit. I'm all about dental. Now, on the other bright side is the bathroom. I mean, it's a typical Filipino bathroom. It means it doesn't have a raised edge here to keep the water on one side, but it has a water heater, and that's important. That is critically important to me, because I am a pussy. It's also got a mirror, so if you need to check yourself out, hey, looking good, you. Yeah, you look good, yeah. And so that's basically it. So the price of this room per night is 799 pesos, which isn't a bad price. And it's got a fire extinguisher, which is good. But I'm checking in early. I'm actually here at 11 a.m. Check-in is at 2 p.m. So they're charging me an extra 200 pesos for the early check-in. But like I said, it's starting to warm up outside, and I don't want to wander around for 3 hours. So here I am. So it came out to 999 pesos. And I hate to be that guy, but I probably should have stayed at Antonio's pension house, because I don't think there's going to be music tonight. So that's basically it. Here's the house rules and regulations and all that stuff. And the escape plan. Too late to escape now. It's Ned, and I guess the video will continue now or something. I'm not sure. Bye. And here's Happytelle's generators, because nothing makes me happier than uninterrupted electricity. And here we got the Ozamis Kamote Riders, and they're heading from Ozamis, which is about 3 hours away. There's a real Philippine Dreams fan right there. All right, guys, thank you.
This is our sign of if we see each other.
Oh, that's your sign? Yeah. Okay, so I get.
It's not
But you have to be a member, right? Alright, I know this has nothing to do with anything, but I took a photo of this at the Dumaguete McDonald's. It's a urinal full of ice. And I don't know why they do this, but I consider it the McDonald's Urinal Ice Challenge. And you try to melt it all with just one stream. See how I do it. Yeah, come on. Police are on the prowl. It's good to see. Also, if you're in Dipolog and you're in the need of some fashionable foot accessories, they got quite the selection of used sneakers here out on display. Very nice. Looks like they've been freshly cleaned. All the blood stains have been removed from them. And we also have coconuts. For all your coconut needs here in Dipolog, come right here. That's right, that's right. Chopping it up. That's a big bolo. Dili ko mangitagawe. Good morning. So sneakers and coconuts. If you need sneakers or coconuts, this is the place to go. It's just right near the, look at this dong. Here we go. It's gonna show us how it's done. Oh, there we go. Hey, good morning.
Welcome to Philippines.
Mayang Pasko, Mayang Buntag. Dong, do some more chopping. Here he goes. All right, we'll resume once he returns. He's getting a fresh coconut. Oh, he's going. No, it looks like he's.
You just want to video.
Yeah, just videoing.
Master, hurry up.
Pas. All right, we'll get a coconut chopped here fairly soon. This guy's here. So we go. That's a sharp ass bowler right there. Here he goes. He's gonna show us how it's done. Yeah.
Child labor.
Oh, child labor, violating child labor laws. Look at that. Oh, that's not me. Oh, what a professional. Hey. Oh my God. This is why you don't mess with Filipinos, man.
Yeah, good.
Nice job. Wow, that's sharp.
Small man, but
Small but fierce.
yeah.
Kamay pero astig.
Big man work.
All right. Oh. Become a YouTube video star.
Yeah.
I gotta get one of these hats right here. She knows what she's doing. I love it. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.